Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Adobe Photoshop as we explore the powerful features of Workspace. If you have ever found yourself overwhelmed by the multiple of panels or options, or if you simply want to streamline your workflow, mastering Workspace is the key. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing first, what exactly are workspace in Photoshop? Okay, so think of them as a customizable layout tailored to specific tasks or references. They allow you to organize and rearrange your panel tools and also the menu, providing a personalized and efficient working environment. Okay, so Photoshop comes with workspace such as you can find here the adjustment, you can find the 3D or the more, uh, and also it catered to a different set of taxes, making it easier for you to access the tool and panel you need to specific jobs. Okay, so for now, let's take creating your own custom workspace is a game changer. Like sometimes you want to work with the specific photos or images, and you want to work with the specific panels or specific tools, and you can do this by using your own workspace. Okay, so it allows you to arrange panels exactly the way you want to optimize your workflow for your unique needs. Now, you can see in the right side, each panels within the Photoshop can be fine-tuned or suitable for your preference like the paragraphs. So histories or the bird, brushes, colors, and also the different layers in there. And you can collapse, expand, or even group panels together by using. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that, and this level of customization ensures that your workspace is tailored to a specific workflow. Okay, now here we have now the workspace, and you can find in the top right corner and there, and here you can now see is my workspace, and you can work through, like if I want to use the 3D, or it comes like the 3D in there, and it can easily customizable it, and you can increase or create also the new workspace. Okay, so now when I show you how to do that by clicking over here, and you can now see there is a say that the new workspace in there by clicking over, or you can just do it by Windows tabs in there by inserting or click over with the tick mark, and it will give you here with the works panel. So in there, and like if I want to use the shapes in there, so it comes with the shapes, and I can just track in where do I want to keep it in here. Now I use Windows to see the timeline, so here it comes with the timeline, or I can just take out the timelines in there. Let me use the another one, like I want to use the colors, and here it comes with the colors, and you can easily track in and do whatever you want to use it, so easily group it. Okay, so here we have now the workspace. Now I want to shape it by using the workspace, and you can give here the names by using the various names, like I can just say the own, or I can just own space. So this will be this, then shape it. Okay, so here we have now the workspace with the several panels and also the tools. Now if I move into the previous one, like the workspace, so here we have the workspace, but when I switch in the own workspace, now it comes with here that the new workspace. Okay, so this way you can easily use it, and if you want to also edit it, and you can easily use it by using the Windows and workspace, and here you can use also and give the more workspace in there. Okay, and if you want to delete this one by clicking over and delete, it can help you or give you the options to hit on the delete. And yes, so and here don't have now the workspace, and our own workspace is in there. Okay, so and there you have it, a deep dive into the world of Photoshop workspace. Remember, the key of unlocking your full potential in Photoshop is customization. So play around and find and what works for best for you. and take control of your creativity space. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.